Welcome to the channel, Silky's Closet. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Animal Crossing edition. It's meant to be limited edition, but it's done so well and it's sold so many that they're resupplying the stock. So I'm just going to quickly open the Nintendo and then I'm going to do a review of it and say why I bought it and how it's been useful. So this is the Switch, it's in black. One Joy-Con and it's the Animal Crossing colours. Second Joy-Con, and to attach it to the Switch you just slide it on like this. Easy as that. So this is your Nintendo Switch. This is the power adapter to plug directly to the Switch or to the dock. This is the HDMI wire to connect it to the TV. This is the game, the Animal Crossing game. It's a download, it's not a cartridge. This is the Joy-Con grip, so you can put the Joy-Cons in it and play them as one. So you slide it in, 1, 2, and the lights come on. You can have 4 of these, so it's different positions of lights. These you attach to the Joy-Cons, so you can wrap it around your wrist. It's a bit bigger. So you slide it on, again, it's all a bit easy, it's pretty easy to use and set up. It's all a bit seamless. Like that. You can put this around your wrist when you're using it. This is the dock with the Animal Crossing motif on it. You put the Switch in here and then you can attach it to the TV so you can play it on the TV. And just a little information pamphlet. Okay, so we bought the Switch, the Nintendo Switch, during lockdown. It was back in March. The kids were off school, everyone was at home, they couldn't go out anywhere, we could only go out for like an hour a day to do exercise, everything was closed except for the supermarkets, and the kids were off school, so we just thought it would be super useful to have this to occupy them because we were just all stuck at home. And my husband, it was completely sold out everywhere. My husband couldn't really find it, and he managed to find one. He didn't really think it was in stock, so when he went there, he just happened to get lucky and find the last Switch. Then they were selling for like double the price on eBay. Everyone wanted one, all the parents wanted one because it was lockdown and we all had our kids at home and people had to work from home and they had to somehow occupy their kid at the same time. It's been a really great purchase, this item, for the family, not just for my son and them to spend hours on the Switch. It's been good for the whole family. This Animal Crossing game has become really popular and is interactive. So when it's Halloween, they're doing Halloween stuff. When it's Christmas, they're doing Christmas stuff. So it's always updating. The thing about the Nintendo Switch is that you can take it with you and use it as the handheld like this. So when we're traveling, and we travel a lot for a couple of hours in the car a day, he can just take this, he can take the cartridges in the case and play this, and you won't always hear the kids screaming in the car and fighting. And you can also put it in the dock and then play it on the TV. So you can use it both ways. It's a mobile one, and then you can take these off and play it with other people. And the Nintendo Switch is on its way to becoming the best-selling, most popular Nintendo's console. Not only that, with the gyms being closed, you could buy games that you could do exercising at home. You can do the fitness dancing at home. They got all these games. And I'm going to show you some of the accessories we have with it also. But really, this has been the best purchase for us of 2020. For the kids, for us, we've played it as a family. We played Mario Kart as a family. We took it to my family's house and he played it with his uncles and played with his cousins. So it's versatile, it's useful for the whole family. And it really has been the best purchase of COVID. Okay, here's some of the games he bought. Super Mario Maker, it comes with the cartridge. So you just put it in the Switch. Super Mario Odyssey. Super Smash Bros. Mario Kart, we all played this. My husband, my daughter, we played as a family. We took it to my in-laws' house, everyone played it. You can have a bunch of people playing it. If you have a Switch, you can do local play with other kids that have Switches. And they've got a new Mario Kart game, which is augmented reality. So you buy the game and you can set up around the house. So they're not just sat down on the console, they're doing things around the house, setting up courses and stuff, which looks quite cool. And Luigi's Mansion. I really enjoyed this game. It's a cute game. It has a lot of attention to detail. I actually played this one in the beginning before I got bored. But I like this. It was really, really cute. But it's a short game. But these games are all quite cool. We also got a couple of Pro controllers. This black one. And a Splatoon one. And you get the charging wire with it as well. And this is the Animal Crossing case to match the Animal Crossing. So we put this in the case when we're traveling or when we're storing away. So it's safe and it's not broken because it's an expensive item. And you put the cartridges in here as well, so you just take the games with you. So you put the Switch in, put a cartridge in, and you can take it with you. So I would really recommend purchasing the Nintendo Switch, especially this one, not the Lite, so you can dock it and play it on the TV. You can travel with it. They can play on the internet. They can meet their friends. I think my son has added his friends. So it really is a cool thing for parents to purchase for their children. Thanks for watching Silky's Closet. All item details will be in the description. Any comments, leave it below. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.